Everybody want to be a bodybuilder. Right. So nobody want to lift this heavy ass weight. Go! I do it though!
Hey team, Carl here, Red Beard Recipes. Today we are making protein cookies. Like and subscribe, let's get you started. For our cookies, we are going to need 4 bananas, 4 scoops of protein powder, 1 cup of almond meal, 1/4 cup of honey, and then for my flavorings, I'm going to use salted peanuts, 1/2 cup, and 1/2 cup of salted pretzels. Also going to chuck a little bit of vanilla paste in as well, just to give it a little bit of flavor. Going to start by getting our bananas all mashed up together in a big bowl. Once smashed up, protein powder in. Mix that in well. Once that's mixed in, you'll have a very loose sort of dough. Go in with the almond meal and the honey. Peanuts, give them a little bit of a smash.
It's a bit nutty.
Chuck them in. Same with the pretzels. Turn them in. A little dash vanilla paste. Combine. I'm feeling it. I guess sweet tooth there. So. Some chocolate chips in as well.
A absolutely stupendous confectionery.
Spoon out your mix onto a lined baking tray. Should make roughly 12, about this size. In the oven for 8 to 10 minutes. Tip, heat these up in the microwave for 30 seconds. It's more like cake actually.
Oh man, I love the cake!
Like them all.